정보 요원들을 처리하는 의문의 암살자. 그렇게 총 8명의 정보 요원들이 죽음을 맞이했고, 그로부터 1년의 시간이 흘렀습니다. 시골에서 조용히 지내고 있는 한 남자 니콜라스. 그는 8년 전 죽음을 맞이한 요원들의 동료였고 늘 엄청난 경계를 하며 살고 있었습니다. 언제든 일어날 수 있는 위기에 대비하는 니콜라스였고, 오늘은 시내에 나가는 날이었습니다.
Always have to sit at this one. Usual?
Yeah.
Well, at least it feels a little warmer today, right? Lately he's been getting teased because he can't get past the. I'll be back with your food, okay?
All right, thanks.
식사 후 옆에 있는 서점으로 향했고,
Have you finished your book already?
Vinny?
Anyway, I have your next book.
그는 이곳의 단골 손님이었죠. 니콜라스가 이렇게 경계를 늦추지 않는 이유는 과거 그가 고문을 당해 요원들의 정보를 팔아넘겼다고 생각하고 있었고, 그때의 기억은 이미 뒤죽박죽이 되어 이 또한 확실한 것인지 본인도 모르고 있었기 때문이었죠.
This isn't gonna work. I'm not gonna repeat the question, but
얼마 후 또다시 시내에 나왔고,
I got something for you. It's the code that'll get your son past level 10.
You really are a sweet man.
Hey, Lewis, there's a man looking for you.
오늘은 알 수 없는 누군가 자신을 찾고 있다는 소식을 듣게 되죠.
That's him there.
Who are you?
and I have a message from Elias King.
니콜라스는 인적이 드문 장소로 이동했고
Get out into the barn.
곧바로 상대를 제압시켜 버렸습니다.
Which one of these numbers belongs to Elias?
이어 엘리아스를 불러냈고
Empty your pockets.
Dwight?
Oh, he's fine. I'm back in an hour. Still smoking the Malawis.
Sadly, yes, but I quit. The agency's been scanning since you went deep. I'm the only one who came over to your side after what happened. Monica's missing.
You're Monica.
모니카는 1년 전 암살 사건을 조사하다 실종되어 버렸고
She got too close and he took her. Quint, who set all of us up.
She's already dead.
I don't think so. You're the only one who knows his real identity and how to find him.
Nobody knows who Quentin is. That's what makes him so powerful.
8 of our friends are dead. Don't you want to know who?
Get up. Let's go.
Jesus Christ, does nothing ever change? This isn't how I imagined you living your life. It might be cozy, Nicholas, but it's not in your blood.
I'm out of that life, Elias.
He is a fucking traitor.
Enough. Help me find my daughter.
Not with him.
What?
He's not involved. Just us.
니콜라스는 엘리아스의 부탁을 들어주기로 하죠.
8 and 5 days. Whoever pulled the trigger was that goddamn good. Do you remember anything?
No. Pretty sure I was waterboarded and gave up their names.
이들은 모니카의 집을 먼저 방문해 봅니다.
Malawi?
Regrettably, I passed on to her. I have been through everything.
그 순간 누군가 이들을 기습했고 곧바로 공격당한 건물로 들어왔는데 이미 감시자는 사망해 있었고 그를 죽인 자는 사라져 있었죠.
So who else wants us dead?
I don't know.
The assassin? What if he's behind all this from top to bottom?
I could use a trim.
갑자기 이발을 하겠다는 니콜라스.
Thought you were dead. How'd you stay under for so long? Killing shook our world, brother.
사실 이자는 과거 니콜라스의 정보원이었고
Quentin, no, it's not his style.
하지만 니콜라스는 여전히 쿠엔틴을 의심했죠.
I'd get to him quickly before he dries up.
Well, maybe the only way to clear my name.
Hair looks nice.
그가 받은 정보는 쿠엔틴의 부하가 있는 위치였고 이들은 CCTV를 무력화시키는 기술로 건물에 들어갈 수 있었죠.
Mikasa Sugata.
So why don't you tell me how the fuck you came to find me?
We're looking for someone.
I don't know you. And I already don't listen that you are not dead right now. I would like to know.
That cigarette you're smoking is made with tobacco grown in Malawi. People smoke those. This woman, she's the other.
Yeah, I'd fuck her.
Where is she?
Fuck you! Shoot him in the head!
Did you take her?
Yes. She at the orchard. You know, like fucking greenhouses 100 miles north.
Keep her in one of the greenhouses and he's waiting for you to find her.
Oh, Quentin.
I gave you what you wanted. You will have me killed.
곧바로 그가 알려준 장소로 향했고
Here you go.
I need your eyes here.
Just like old time.
단독으로 적진을 향해 나아갑니다. 마찬가지로 CCTV를 무력화시켰고 마침내 모니카를 찾아내는 데 성공한 니콜라스.
What are you doing here?
I'm with your father. Thank God.
Dad? Not without the file.
하지만 모니카는 자료를 가지고 돌아가기를 원했고
This way. In here.
자료가 있는 어느 방에 도착하는 데 성공합니다.
But I can break the encryption.
Nice.
That's what I'm doing. I'm downloading it.
중요한 정보를 빼내는 데 성공했고
Hurry, they're coming.
I got it.
그런데 그 순간
The drive, now.
Nice try, Elias.
Fuck.
사실 엘리아스는 처음부터 정보를 얻기 위해 니콜라스를 이용한 것이었고
Better you just fucking kill me.
Just keep moving.
도망치던 중 총을 맞았던 모니카는 결국 쓰러져 버렸죠. 이동 중 빈집을 발견해 모니카를 치료하려 했고 그녀에게 응급처치를 시행합니다.
Still better than any of us. Is everything else in place?
We are good.
잠시 후 모니카의 의식이 돌아왔고
The bullet wasn't deep. You're lucky. Like to know why you tried to kill me
A
first.
chance to know it's coming next. They're gonna see the smoke.
Yeah, that's the idea.
You already have a gun.
I spent my last 15 before we hit the
그
wood.
순간 희미했던 기억 중 하나가 돌아오는데
Give him another injection.
Wasn't the torture. They drugged me.
You had a choice. You turned.
No, I remember. Sodium thiopentol breaks everyone.
If
No.
I'm the one behind it all, why did I save your story?
When you remember everything, you will.
좁혀지지 않는 의견차 속에서 적들이 모습을 드러냈고
These are Quentin's men. They want you dead too.
적들을 모두 쓰러뜨렸지만 모니카는 USB를 가진 채 사라져버렸죠.
Hey, Dad.
Let's get you to a doctor.
No, I'm fine.
바로 USB에 든 정보를 확인해 보는데
There's no data.
I saw it.
That's what he wanted you to think.
사실 니콜라스는 이미 정보를 빼돌린 상황이었죠.
He has a chance to turn on this again.
Excuse me. Can I use your phone? Hey, it's me. I got a book I want to order. Tango Delta 5744.
갑자기 서점에 책을 주문하는 니콜라스.
Wow, look who it is. What a nice surprise.
Did that book ever come in that I ordered?
Yes, it did. Just 1 minute.
사실 서점 주인도 니콜라스와 함께 일해온 정보원이었고
That call could have been intercepted. What's on it, Nicholas?
Proof behind the hits. I got memories slowly coming back. Little things unlocking them like.
그 시각 이미 활동을 시작한 엘리아스.
Do you know this man?
Lewis.
Would you happen to have his address?
You might ask Irene at the village bookshop.
I'll do that. You're Irene?
That I am.
니콜라스는 이제서야 이 일의 배우가 누구였는지 떠올랐습니다.
If he doesn't give up Quentin, he's useless.
그 정체는 바로 엘리아스였고
All but Nicholas. I need him alive. You'll have one chance.
Sounds like my kind of challenge.
I'm looking for a friend of mine. Lewis? Nicholas Shaw? Ring any fucking bells, old lady?
Nicholas would never tell me that. He's far too careful.
She's useless.
Where is he? See?
I'll call an ambulance.
Don't.
엘리아스는 인지를 붙잡았고
There's a file on my phone. Let me take it from my pocket.
Your father ordered the hit on Javier.
Listen to the recording. Fucking ruined my life. Just to get to Quentin.
As soon as word reaches the agency, anyone still alive will be needed.
Okay? Yeah, it's okay. You're just in shock. It's okay. I'll be back.
Lock 17. 17 rounds. I lost count. There's never any gray area with you. The world doesn't work that way anymore. The line between shadow and light has always been blurred. I didn't operate in both the shadow and the light. got in over my head. Someday you'll have to make a similar choice. You're never a brave man, Elias.
Wait, did you really have him killed?
I can't tell you anything, Monica.
I need to know if it's true so that I can kill you.
I'm sorry.
화장실에서 열심히 분장 중인 한 여자.
It's gonna be a tall, bald guy with a leather jacket.
Okay, gotta go. Hi there.
에마는 뛰어난 킬러였지만 겉으로는 평범한 주부였습니다.
Did you miss me?
Yes, with a vengeance.
그녀에게는 사랑하는 남편 데이브가 있었고
Vegan options to their franchise plans, which
가족들도 그녀가 킬러인 것을 몰랐습니다.
hello, my love, I missed you.
그런데 오늘 에마가 한 가지 놓친 사실이 있었으니
Happy anniversary.
Forgot the anniversary. Sweet Jesus. Buenos Aires job. Client happy, money wired, police in the wind.
그리고 그녀에게 다음 임무가 내려지는데
No, not a chance. Come on, I just got back.
And they want the best, which just so happens. Now, if you don't work, I don't have the funds to keep you safe.
Funny. Talk to you tomorrow. To them, they'd have me run the entire Midwest of this. Forgot our anniversary. I'm the worst.
데이브는 에마를 위한 선물 하나를 준비했는데
What's that?
What?
That.
This may be a mistake. I mean, see what you think.
You did, and it's a costume?
Bit much?
No. Is that what you want? To mix things up a bit? Or do you want me to be someone else?
Why not? I could change things up.
Let's do this for real. Tomorrow night in the city. We're going to a hotel.
We're going to a hotel.
A fancy hotel.
Two strangers meeting in a bar.
다음 날 저녁 약속대로 고급 호텔로 향하는 에마. 데이브는 아직 도착하지 않은 듯 보였죠.
Vodka martini, please?
Yes.
Thanks.
차가 막혀 예상보다 늦어진 데이브.
Miss, compliments of the gentleman.
그 사이 한 노인이 에마에게 찝적대기 시작했고
Kind of night I'm having, you wouldn't believe. So, how bad a night can it be? Bob Kitterman, are you here alone, may I ask?
뒤늦게서야 이곳에 도착한 데이브.
And I don't mean that as some kind of lie. Not the way you're making eyes at this one now. I'm going to give you that opportunity because
마침내 노인이 자리를 떴고
Have we met?
I don't think so.
Jack Dawson.
둘은 이름까지 바꿔가며 처음 만난 척 롤플레이를 했죠.
What are you drinking, Alice?
Vodka martini.
I'll bill that to the room if that's all right. The room number is...
put that on my chest.
그 순간 또다시 에마 앞에 나타난 노인.
Staying at the hotel.
That's right. I'm a photographer.
노인은 데이브와 자연스럽게 대화를 섞었고
Two sharks like us. Wow, Jack, photography.
에마는 그런 노인에게 무언가를 느낀 듯 보였습니다.
Bob, it's been a pleasure.
Jack, best of luck. And on that note, power.
So should we continue getting to know each other? Jack, join me in the room.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get comfortable. I'll be right back.
잔뜩 신나 있는 데이브와 달리 에마는 생각보다 오랜 시간이 걸렸고 데이브가 잠에 들고 나서야 에마는 밖으로 나왔습니다. 그녀가 한밤중에 온 곳은 아까 만난 노인의 방이었고 사실 이 노인은 킬러로 에마도 이를 눈치챘습니다.
How long have you been Alice Overby?
So who are you?
A kindred spirit. Relax. Sovereign doesn't want you dead. Gwen Carver must have a real soft spot. 60% commission on any future work, and you and me, we keep a line of...
그는 돈을 목적으로 에마에게 거래를 제안했는데
So you don't work for Sovereign?
I work for the highest bidder. I always...
Nothing for you, Bob? Okay, suit yourself. Because I already poisoned you back at the bar.
그런데 에마는 전에 그의 술잔에 약을 탔었고 그는 아무것도 모르고 약이 든 잔을 마신 상태였죠.
You should really start to feel that, right? Oh, Bob. No, you took your eyes off your scotch.
Up when you were gone.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. It's just gonna be a quick thing.
노인은 쓰러지지 않고 일어나 에마에게 총을 날렸고 에마는 계획에 없던 살인을 저지르게 되었죠.
Great. Hey,
How's her head?
it's better now. Gosh, I'm exposed.
I told you to stay low.
그 사이 데이브도 지인에게 연락을 받았는데
Yeah, why?
Texting you a link right now. You guys know how to pick a hotel.
No suspects have yet been named in the investigation. Talking with the victim at the hotel bar earlier, 100% us. We are the man and woman from the hotel.
심지어 그날 둘은 롤플레이를 위해 신혼도 바꾼 상황이었고
The fake names.
He's wearing a fucking wig, Dave.
경찰이 더욱 의심하기 좋은 상황이었죠.
I mean, the names, the wig, the shot.
Figuring out this flight for.
에마는 상황을 해결하고자 움직이려 했고
Ask me in person, sorry. Just be quick.
Car's here.
Okay. Hey, don't forget, Wyatt starts his second vitamin tomorrow. I'll call when I can.
Fly safe.
그렇게 집을 떠나는 에마. 그런데 며칠이 지나도 에마는 연락이 되질 않았고
Hey, it's Emma. Leave a message.
The flight from Boise, the 702.
I do have an Emmy Woo. Is she Emmy Woo?
No.
데이브는 에마에 대한 행방을 알 수가 없었죠.
Dave Brackett, Detective Toby Berman, NYPD homicide.
그의 앞에 나타난 건 형사들이었고
We're just looking for information.
Did you and your wife know Mr. Kitterman?
We didn't.
You were using an assumed name that night at the hotel.
Like a role play? Just like a game. It was just to spice things up a little bit.
그런데 데이브는 이곳에서 더욱 충격적인 사실을 듣게 됩니다.
Mr. Brackett, Special Agent Carver from the IDI. Mr. Brackett, how long have you and your wife been married?
I'm sorry, but what exactly is this about?
Is this woman your wife, Mr. Brackett?
No.
This woman is Emma Jane Rayburn. Mr. Brackett, Emma Rayburn died 8 years ago.
그는 에마의 신원이 거짓이었음을 알게 되었고
From Buenos Aires Airport, Argentina, last Wednesday. A woman matching this description was seen leaving the crime.
That's my wife's supervisor, Raj.
He serves as her hand. This is not going to be easy. Is Anna Peller.
I'm sorry. Mother.
집에 돌아와 에마의 짐을 뒤져보는 데이브.
Agent Carver.
Would it be possible to have a moment of your time?
한편 에마는 자신의 핸들러 라즈를 만나러 왔고
You look terrible.
It was a very long flight.
You must have concerns for the safety of your family. You to know that I will do anything in my power. That I search your house for evidence to help us locate.
Don't you need a warrant?
She played you. Don't let her play you in. Incapable of love or compassion. Who lied to you and endangered your children.
Time to say goodbye to your perfect little family. Will they pick up your scent? And I'm not there to help you.
Black J-Wagon about 3 cars back. It's Sovereign.
사실 이자의 정체는 경찰이 아닌 소버린의 수장 그앤이었죠.
You can't run away from her forever, Anna.
에마를 잡기 위한 인물들이 따라붙었고
Do you see her?
Negative.
에마는 밀폐된 장소로 유인해 상대를 처리합니다. 하지만 또 다른 누군가 에마에게 붙었는데
Hey, you okay?
Shit! Turn off the gas! Shit!
We're sorry. Your call can't be completed in time.
El número marcado no existe.
Emma?
How'd you get this number?
Part of a German plumber, which was in a box of my wife's murder.
Dave, walk outside.
Why?
Dave, get out of the house now.
I'm away from the house.
Dave, I'm so sorry.
I don't even know who you are.
Yes, you do. I am Emma. I am your wife.
My wife is a killer? Emma, is it true?
But I never lied about us.
We have children!
No, I know.
This number, you're in Berlin?
Do not contact me. I am going to contact you.
That's not how. I'm coming to Berlin. We're gonna have a conversation.
오지 말라는 말을 무시한 채 데이브는 베를린으로 향했고
I just landed in Berlin.
Jack Dawson.
That's me.
데이브는 이곳에서 에마를 만날 수 있었습니다.
This is a lot.
My name is Anna. I kill people for money.
Were we your cover?
No, never. To make arrangements.
에마의 아버지는 과거 그앤과 함께 소버린을 만들었고
After my dad was killed, she took me in so young and she manipulated me. I know now that she was lying. Anyway, I did a job in Boston. It's when I met you in that bar. You were the first person I ever truly loved. I'm going to. Listen, it's done. I don't want to do this anymore.
I love you.
I know, I love you too. I have to tie up a few loose ends and I promise.
그 순간 소버린의 인원들이 이곳에 나타났죠.
Stay calm and do what they say. I know what I'm doing. Hi, Anna. Time to go.
Get your hands up!
에마는 저항하던 중에 마취제를 맞아버렸고 눈을 떠보니 소버린의 본거지에 와 있었습니다.
They've had a long trip. But now we're reunited. Let's set up that video game system, okay, Carlo?
아이들이 떠나고 에마는 그웬과 본격적으로 대화를 나누게 됩니다.
You didn't have to bring them into this.
You brought them into this. Did you really think it was going to be as simple as all that?
I just want a normal life.
You just want a normal life. And I never took you, Anna. I took you in. You're better than that. At least you were.
I don't want to sit. Don't.
That makes you mine. Always. Only way. Children to have a future. You only need to get rid of Dave. Even off your game, I can't imagine you'd need any more than.
그웬은 아이들을 지키려면 데이브를 죽이라 말했죠.
Take him for a walk. A walk in the woods. I entertain the kids while you're gone. There's always a sacrifice.
Don't make me.
Now take him for a walk.
I don't want them anywhere near it. Let's go for a walk. Dave, there's a sniper on us. What? She has the kids. They're okay. Stop. They're fine.
Emma, what the hell is wrong with you? They have our kids. What are we gonna do?
Can you hold me, please?
I mean,
Now.
okay.
She wants me to kill you.
What?
적을 제압하자 죽은 줄 알았던 데이브가 일어나는데 사실 에마는 데이브의 목숨에 지장 없게 총을 쐈던 것이었죠.
Clean shot. No vitals. Sorry.
I love you, but...
Hello there.
저격수까지 처리한 에마는 데이브에게 돌아왔고
Can I help you?
Just give me a second.
Sorry.
I have to go to work now, though.
Okay.
Okay?
Come on.
Okay. Taylor, I'm told, look. You go to the kids and buy some time. I will be right there.
에마는 곧이어 그웬을 노리기 시작했습니다.
Okay. Just try not to kill.
이제 남은 건 그웬뿐이었고
It's just the two of us now, Gwen.
You don't have to do this, you know?
You know I can see, right? See how well you taught me? Might be it for your clip, Gwen.
Finish me. I would love to sit here and watch you die. My family's waiting.
에마는 무사히 가족들에게 돌아올 수 있었습니다.
Baby, okay? Any problems? Done.
그렇게 가족들이 평화를 되찾으며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 뛰어난 실력으로 남자 군인들을 제압하는 여군 앨리슨.
Nice work.
Never let your guard down, Major.
한편 미국 대통령은 아스토비아라는 국가와 석유협정을 체결하게 되었고
While providing clean oil and gas for us.
Being one of the first women selected, Marine Corps Special Operations, you are my favorite niece.
I am your only niece.
앨리스는 미국 대통령을 별로 좋아하지 않았습니다.
I don't think he deserves to be where he's at. You're not like Dallas Edwards was born into. All money.
Falcon I know is not the man you think he is.
Falcon.
Falcon's code name for the president.
앨리스는 삼촌에게 비밀 경호국에서 일하자는 제안을 받게 되고
Secret Service?
We are looking for someone with your exact trait. We're not.
Hell yes.
그녀는 백악관에서 일하게 되었습니다.
So, we're staying Secret Service. What am I doing?
How do you feel about coffee?
Donut Patrol. Everybody's got to start somewhere.
그때 에드워즈 대통령이 이곳을 지나갔고
Regarding the cartels, sir. Sir, you've seen the Daily Brief.
며칠 뒤 앨리슨에게 대통령에 대해 묻는 사원이 있었는데
What do you think of our president?
We serve the chair, not the man.
You know, in the future, you would do well to keep your opinions to yourself, Agent Richards. Move out.
Look, what I said at the bar was between us. This is my job.
One of my agents called in sick, so I need you on the team.
앨리스는 첫 현장 임무를 받게 됩니다. 이곳은 아스토비아 국가의 로디노프 장군의 기지였고 그는 이번 미국과의 협정을 매우 안 좋게 생각했습니다.
For the signing of this historic deal.
I'd like to say that the
And a very intelligent person who broker a deal will now flow into American hands instead of mine. Puppet president of ours. You both sold out. I love my country. You love your country.
this deal
This deal will be good for us. No.
Tomorrow's going to be historic.
로딘호프는 미국 대통령을 상대로 테러를 준비하고 있었고
We're in.
이곳은 미국 대통령이 타는 비행기 에어포스 원에 조종사가 살고 있는 집이었죠.
Honey?
I'm going to call in sick for tomorrow's flight.
Okay. I won't be making tomorrow's itinerary. Calling in a backup named Dan Smith.
Falcon will arrive in 10 minutes.
We are here to take back our country, which give us the money, that give us the power. Yes.
You wait for an invitation? Well, it's quite a sight when you see it for the first time. Here comes Falcon.
Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, cup of coffee, get a little bit of work done, and then Sam, gotta break this one in.
Okay, what'd I do?
The president isn't big on formalities.
Greetings to all of you flying with us today.
하지만 테러는 은밀히 진행되고 있었고
The plane is ours.
Your question.
Thank you, Mr. President.
And yet you invade other countries for their oil. And I agreed because it is one that I believe in strongly. President Bosick and I have negotiated a deal that is equally beneficial.
Internet's gone down.
Is that normal?
Not on Air Force One.
Good evening, Air Force One.
비행기가 탈취되었다는 사실이 모두에게 알려지죠.
President Edward, your plane has been hijacked. Andrews Air Force, them you are on. Sit back and enjoy the ride.
삼촌은 서둘러 대통령을 대피시켰고
You're in charge till I get back. Secure this location. Let's roll.
테러범들은 서서히 비행기를 잠식해갔습니다.
What's the matter?
I have asthma.
Mr. President, as you have no doubt surmised, all of your staffers and journalists traveling with us, you need to understand this. Air Force One is ours. To rejoin the rest of the hostages, at which point we'll start shooting.
40 seconds, Mr. President.
Wait! Your weapons down!
All right, listen. We gotta split up. Remember, kid, you only have one job. Go.
President Edwards.
Right enough.
You're war criminal.
I am a hero. You will announce from Air Force One.
로딘호프는 협약을 파기하는 발표를 원했고
And if you say no, I'll simply kill all of you.
My man is going to wait with you.
And remember, Mr. President, 1 hour.
Sit down. You are lucky the general wants you untouched.
테러범들은 이 비행기에 비밀국 요원들이 남아있음을 알게 되죠.
I'm going hunting.
치열한 접전 끝에 적을 쓰러뜨리는 데 성공한 앨리슨.
I have to get you to safety, Mr. President. It's pretty cold where we're headed. Grab your coat.
Don't move! Where's Ellison Miles?
I don't know.
그 시각 앨리슨은 에드워즈를 탈출시키려 했고
Yes. Bloody has gone dark and isn't answering. And get to the emergency exit in case they try to get out.
Agent Edison Miles? You have your uncle here. Allison.
Falcon at all costs!
We're gonna have to jump.
Do we have a choice?
No.
테러범들은 뒤늦게 앨리슨이 있는 곳에 왔지만 이미 이들은 탈출에 성공했습니다.
The only one left to the president. What now, John? Based on the flight path, they will be somewhere in this valley.
한편 미국에서는 이제야 에어포스 원에 이상이 생겼음을 감지했고
Air Force One, this is Andrews Air Force Base. Come in.
What has happened?
We're still gathering intel. It's unlikely anyone survived the crash.
You're going to reassure President Bosick that America honors its commitments.
Understood.
We need to figure out where the hell we are. We're gonna have to get to higher ground if we want a chance of a signal. Let me know if this pace is all right for you, Mr. President.
Unless you need a break, we should keep moving.
This is probably our best bet to bunk down for the night. Claire! Let's get you patched up. The hijackers wouldn't have been able to take the plane without help.
They had someone on the inside that gave them everything.
It would have to be someone close to you.
You haven't had any time to process your loss. A lot of people died in the last 24 hours, so we owe it to them. We're not gonna let the bad guys win.
You sound like my uncle.
That's the best compliment you could give me. Did you know your uncle wasn't a big fan of mine when he and I first met? That I had everything handed to me on a silver platter? All my life, people have judged me based on what they think, and I did not take one penny. I worked 2 jobs. I put myself through a school that I took from that fight. So you just gotta do what you think is right.
I'm sorry
What for?
for judging you.
앨리스는 에드워즈에 관해 오해했던 사실이 풀리게 되었죠. 그렇게 다음날 아침이 되었고
I'm sorry, Mr. President.
다시 길을 나서기 시작하는데 하지만 더 많은 적들이 몰려왔고 이들은 결국 붙잡히게 되었습니다.
Come.
American Vice President has announced her plan to honor her predecessor's deal
We have work to do. Mr. President, you will come now.
로디노프는 에드워즈와 대화를 시도했고
Your vice president, some unexpected thing. So, you will kill this deal.
Well, I hate to spoil your plan, but I will not. Kill me, if need be. But I will not be threatened.
로디노프는 이어 앨리슨의 목숨으로 그를 협박했죠.
Who has gone through hell trying to protect you.
I will not give you what you want.
You will do it exactly as I say.
하지만 이들의 예상과 달리 앨리스는 미쳐 날뛰고 있었고
Ready? I need a good performance. Joseph, what happened?
Sounds like she is.
모든 적들을 처리하고 에드워즈에게 도착한 앨리슨.
Looks like you're outnumbered, General.
I've lost nothing.
You lost everything.
I'm ready to fight.
We're done here.
Thanks, Dallas. Special Agent Allison Miles. Falcon is safe and secure.
Falcon's alive. I repeat, the Falcon's alive.
Send me the coordinates. We're nearby. We'll head right there. Mr. President!
Special Agent Allison Miles.
Mr. President, we need to debrief you immediately so that we can issue
We'll treat Agent Miles first, and that's an order.
You're off duty.
Sir, with
At
all due
ease, Agent Miles. You've won.
Never let your guard down, Major. Even when you think you've won.
순간 앨리스는 전에 들었던 말이 생각났고
All right. Let's get a look at that woman.
how's good old Toby Masters doing?
Toby, yeah, I know him.
Then you know Scott Gray, too.
Yeah, Scotty.
갑자기 이곳에 있는 자들을 모두 처리하는 앨리슨.
Scott Gray doesn't exist, sir. I made him up. Your chief of staff is the one who betrayed you, Mr. President.
Gonna kill me over a fucking energy deal?
Something had to be done. We thought that you were the future. You died in that crash.
You want me dead? Agent Miles, if he does, you take him down.
그렇게 진짜 흑마까지 찾아 처리할 수 있었습니다.
Can we get the hell out of this place?
Absolutely, sir. Are you sure about that, sir?
They don't call me Falcon for nothing.
Base, this is Air Force One requesting permission to land. I have Falcon on board.
Approaching from your east. Bring us on.
Nice to have you back, Mr. President.
무사히 대통령이 복귀하며 영화는 끝나게 됩니다.